Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can change your Google Chrome language back into English, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So let me open my Google Chrome browser first. So I accidentally changed this into German, or somehow when I am browsing on my Google Chrome browser and I've changed it into German, which is a language that I don't really understand, and I want to change it back to English. Or in your case, if you have the same case as mine, then here's what we can do. In your Google Chrome browser, locate the three dots. You can find that in the top right corner. Click on that. Now scroll down. Now here's the tip so that we are not going to be confused with the words right here because we cannot understand these words. You need to look at the symbol. Now we know that the gear-like symbol is a setting symbol, or this is a setting symbol. Now you have to click on that, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now here in the left pane, we need to look for the language. We don't know these words, we cannot understand this, but we need to look at the symbols. And we know that the language has a globe or a letter symbol. So here we have this letter symbol. Now click on that. Then you have this blue button right here. Then click on this. Then search for the English language. So let's type here English. Then you'll have these options. So it depends on you and what type of English you have. So I am going with the English United Kingdom. Click on this. Click on this blue button. Then we have recently added the English language. Now you have to click on these three dots. Now you will know this is the recently added language because this is at the bottom. Now you have to click on this box. And once that is done, click on this blue button again. And then we're good. We're back to English language. So if I click on the new tab, and if I search for something, we are back in the English language. So it might be very confusing and annoying that how we can get back into the English language because obviously we can't understand the language that we have in our Google Chrome browser. Well, the tip or the clue there is just to look at the symbols, and then once you look at the symbols, you will not be confused with the words, and then you can just simply or easily get back your language into English in your Google Chrome browser. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.